Okay. We're now on the Kielder Forest Drive. Literally, just got in there. 30 seconds behind me is the entrance. Paid £5 to use the road. Let's have a look. 1250GS. Let's go and have a bit of fun. 0 signal, telephone signal, for the whole duration of the, I think it's about 15 mile, maybe less, 12 to 15 mile. Let's have a look. Got me drone. So if it opens up a bit, it could be nice. Tell you what I will do. I'm going to just quickly stop. Put this bad boy in dynamic mode. There we go. Simple. You can't do it while you're moving, you have to just stop. And then it just sets it all up automatically once you put it in. Just makes the bike a fair bit more forgiving than when you're on road mode. DJI mic, I haven't used for a long time. Beautiful ride up here, absolutely loved it. Here's the spoiler alert. Cyclists. Sorry. See where we pop out. I kind of forgot. I left the house about 8:30 this morning. Just had a nice bimble up to here. What's that? Hoping to see some nice wildlife, not just butterflies. Do I stand? Do I stand? Why not? Like, be like everyone else that has these kind of bikes. Whee! Don't I look like a dick? Sit back down. straight on, I'm assuming. Well, God, you can feel it sliding around all over the shop. It's quite fun. It's a bit like riding on ice. What's the red run? What's that say? The grun. What's the grun? God, if you want peace and quiet, man, come on a weekday. Even though it's school holidays, still not much up here for kids, I suppose. Although they'd love this on a bicycle, splodging around in the rivers. I've gone into someone's farm. Have I gone the wrong way? I fucking have. Stupid. What an idiot.